Okay, I'm back. You lose tyre temperatures so quickly in Le Mans Ultimate there. This is one thing I've noticed. Ooh, cuts on track. Okay, that wasn't a great lap, I don't think. Currently P3. P7. Okay, already gaining a few tenths to turn 1. A little bit deep there. Oh, a little bit of a scruffy exit. Not a bad lap overall though. Ooh, P2. Hopefully I can just survive everything. And then just cruise to the finish from there in whatever position I am in.
Green flag, green flag.
Okay, not bad. 3 wide. Car on our outside now, defend them. Ooh, spin up ahead. Sorry, not up ahead, behind. Right, now we need to try and pull away from the McLaren behind us. Alright, let's see how much we can gain in the slipstream now. Oh, nice exit. A bit wide there. Alright, let's just try and catch up a little bit again, because I was making some good progress there. P3 is catching up to us. Probably going to have to go defensive into turn 1 here. He's not really making gains down the straight. I think P1's just too fast for us right now. He seems a bit slow through like the second sector, but then through the first sector and the last sector, he pulls away a bit. Oh, he got a bad X out of turn 1. Oh, we've made up quite a bit of time on him this lap. Ooh, there was a crash behind. He's definitely a lot more comfortable with letting the rear slide out, the guy in front. I'm being a lot more cautious. Oh my word, P3's gone super deep, nearly took us out. Oh, he's on the grass, so I got a big snap. Oh, wide. Oh, but now P3's gone wide. P3 is right behind us now. Okay, nice move. Okay, exit wasn't too bad. We're gaining a bit in the slipstream now. Can you bump draft an LMU? Oh, he's got a run on us now. Gonna drive defensive because he's clearly faster than us now. I'm definitely braking too late there. Sorry, too early. Oh, that was P1 who just spun out. I didn't even see that happen. Although it does not look like this guy has enough fuel to finish, because if you look, he has 9% less virtual energy than us. I can't count. He has 6% less virtual energy than us. So, I'm not sure how many laps that is. Oh, that would have been stupid from me. I feel like I'm finally starting to understand the GT3 now. Okay, we've closed the gap down by a couple tenths now. 5 minutes to go. We have 2 and a bit laps left, or 3 maybe. So let's see if his fuel will last. Although I did fuel up for an extra lap, so maybe he's just got it perfect. Alright, 2 laps to go. Maybe 3, we'll see. Okay, this is the final lap of the race now. So let's see. I don't think P1 has enough to get to the end. He might make it, he might make it. He'll have to fuel save a bit though, I think. Oh, I completely forgot we were using the no chicanes layout. Nice little off track in the final corner, because why not? Oh, that was a good race there. I'll take P2. Okay, he cut it close with the virtual energy though.